Okay, how would you take the back of one of these off if it's really tight and maybe it hadn't been taken off in a while? I was about to go down to my local jewelry store to figure that out, but and then it dawned on me it shouldn't be that hard. I couldn't get any grip on it just with my bare hands. So what you need to do? Watch this. The secret weapon. These things. They're in your kitchen right now. Put them on. That's simple. And you put the watch in your palm of your hand, and you apply some pressure, and you twist, and it comes right off. Look at that. So simple. Even a child could do it. Look how simple it is. And it's running, and the crystal comes off as well. That is so simple. Beautiful. Gorgeous watch here, you know. Bam, and it's running. That simple. Kill it.
Yeah, I guess I killed it.